Thank you. It smells like flowers in here. Thank you. What did Chick-fil-A out?
Oh, that was gonna be so quick.
Basically, you can just get the video from Selma.
This place is just pretty. All kind of pretty girly children things. Look at that. You're really looking at more stuff, Isalia?
Yeah.
You don't have enough?
No.
Imagine.
That are cute. I like my nails though. I want this.
What do you want?
A small piece.
A what?
A small piece.
Where?
One ear on my ear.
Just one ear?
No.
Are you sure you want that?
I do.
Oh boy.
I might actually cry.
You want to change your mind?
No, not changing my mind.
Basically, you're going to use something that absorbs the liquid. So look how easily it goes in. Look how quick it absorbs. Look, the liquid's gone. So what you're going to do is you're going to top it. You feel the liquid, you feel that coldness, like that, and that's it. And I'll teach you. No, it's not. It's actually going to feel like a little sting. All done.
Is this too big and too hairy?
Like, oh. There you go.
Oh, it's cute.
That hurts. Ow. You're all set, love. You did good.
That hurts so bad.
I know, it hurts. I did my third one, not that.
My girly girl.
Yeah. That hurts so bad.
Look at the tears in your eyes.
The really? Ow.
Girly.